Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. September 19, 2025, Biyernes, 7 1400 meter races, 5 p.m. start time. Okay, game race number 1, winner take all. 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Dito sa 1 ay borderline, kaya dito ako sa 1. Fortis Mulier with JD Flores. Tapos panigundo ko yung 6. Super Pinay with MB Pilapil. 1-6, race 1. Race 2, pick 6, class 4, 42 to 56 split. Pampremera ko na rin yung numero 4 Frugality with GL Shego Jr. At pamproteksyon ko rito yung numero 2 Sabel with EA Abrea. 4-2, race 2. Race 3, pick 5, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Ito, mahirap na karera to. Ang primero ko yung numero 3, Justifiable with Lester Jesus. Tapos panigundo ko yung numero 5, Malbatan Island with JD Flores. 3-5, race 3. Race number 4, pick 4, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Dito medyo nag-aalangan ako kay Pasailing, pero magalang din talaga yung laban, kaya siya na rin yung first choice ko. Noel Lunar ang hinet niyan. Panigundo ko yung 5, Flying Eagle with Albert Serios. 2-5 is 4. Race number 5, huling BD1, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Ang primero ko yung numero 1, Money for Gabriel with Jen Alvin Cuse. Panigundo ko yung numero 2, nagbabalik, Grand Laughter with Pops Caballero. 1-2, race 5. Race 6, class 4, 42 to 56 split. Ito ako, numero 4, Zoom at 4A high maintenance with Michael Jesus at Pops Caballero. Panigundo ko yung numero 7, Confidence Game at 7A Basket of Gold with Jomer Storke at Jan Alvin Guse. Masasama ko na rin yung isang imported, yung numero 9, Dream Girl with RC Tabor. 4-7-9, race 6. Race 7, huling karera, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Dito pa, primero ko, numero 3, Achi Hali, CB Garganta. Kamuntikan na rin to, last run, no? Nabitin lang. Panigundo yung 2-7, Gold and Silver at French Leather. JQ Cabarios, tsaka JB Ponce natin yan. Sasama ko yung 4, Axis Deviation with JL Santiago. 3-7-4, race number 7. Good luck po, happy racing, at God bless.